sleeping, so they need mama kits. Women who are under the menstrual age that need sanitary towels. We know that there are so many children, men, youth sleeping. People are sleeping in camps, in churches, and in schools, which are open places. And amidst the floods, of course, that comes with a lot of diseases, including malaria and other diseases. So we are thinking about getting you some nets, mosquito nets, and things like that. Some clothes, basic things to use. But we are unable to because, as you're aware, the trucks, very few trucks can be allowed to move across etc. So we decided the costs of transport and all, we decided to give you the money so that you and your team can plan for this money, but to cast your nets as wide as possible to see what our people really need so that you can get it back to them. And that is why we are here today. We collected 13.5 million shillings, which we are going to hand over to you. Our principal will hand it over to you, and this is just to show our support and solidarity together with our people in Kasese district, because it has been hard hit so many times. And not to say that this is the last. We are still mobilizing, and we shall still get back to you on what kind of mobilization we can bring, because you know this is not a one-time thing, and given that we are under a lockdown, it's not easy also for them, given all the challenging situations. So we welcome you today, and I want to officially invite our principal to say something to you and also hand over. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Comrade Flavia. Most has been spoken by our women leader. We heard the call from your leadership, Mama, and the least we could do is to reflect your voice to the friends that we have a connection with. So we want, in a very special way, to thank Ugandans here in Uganda and Ugandans abroad for heeding this call. We are just a connection, between those that can offer some assistance to the people of Kasese. And it is my pleasure to hand over 13.5 million shillings that we collected from friends from Uganda and abroad. And we continue to also encourage other Ugandans to do the little they can do to make sure that our brothers and sisters in Kasese are relieved. So with that, we pray that it gets better and we stand together with the people of Kasese.
Thank you so much, my friend and comrade, Honorable Robert Chagulanyi, together with the entire team of the People Power Movement. I am lost of words. I really don't know how I can appreciate your leadership. I don't know how I can appreciate the Ugandans here and abroad for their kindness, for the gesture of brotherhood and sisterhood they have exhibited to the suffering people of Kasese. As a mother, when I was moving through the camps, I almost fainted. When I saw the situation the mothers were going through, when I saw a situation where women, men, and children are all in a church hall, they are in a classroom, and at one point I saw a woman collapsing, crying, because she had lost virtually everything and she didn't know where to go to. So that's how I carried a basket and made a passionate call to whoever cared to listen and cared to sympathize. And I'm so humbled that today, here at the offices of the People Power Movement, I'm receiving a donation of 13.5 million from the friends in the US. I also received donations from the friends in Canada. I have received contributions and donations from Ugandans of all walks of life. I want to congratulate all Ugandans and thank them heartily for the good heart. There is a Ugandan who sent me 2,000. And he said, Winnie, I saw the basket. I felt touched. I don't have anything. Just have that 2,000. Maybe you may buy a biscuit for a child. There is a police officer who sent me 20,000 and said, Winnie, I'm a police officer, I'm a father, I'm a Ugandan, I know what is happening in Kasese. That 20,000 can change a life. All Ugandans from all walks of life, I want to thank you for the contributions. My friend and honorable colleague, Robert Chagulanyi, with the team that you're working with the friends that you mobilize, I want to thank you. Muchara Aisha, Ali California, called me in the morning and said, the People Power team in the US and other Ugandans in the diaspora who are not necessarily People Power feel for you. I want to thank everybody. I am humbled, and I want to thank you once again for this gesture of brotherhood, of sisterhood, for the care for humanity. And I know together we shall continue restoring lives. I will deliver the message to the team in Kasese. We shall let some of your members be there as we deliver the relief for you to know and for them to be part of this activity. I want to thank you.
Thank you very much.
At an opportune time, I'm going to give you a letter of appreciation from my office, first to the People Power office, and also to our colleagues in the diaspora who contributed, so that they can know that their support was sincerely appreciated and heartily acknowledged. So Ugandans, I want to thank you. I know, like my colleagues have said, we are still calling upon all people of goodwill. We have lost schools, we have lost hospitals, people lost their livelihood, people have lost homes, they have lost property. So anything that can go a long way in restoring hope is highly welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And may the people of Kasese receive our love. Let me bonga on you and you can deliver.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.